Hello from Freedomtax Accounting. We're an accounting firm here in Florida where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services for more than 20 years now. Today is July 17th, and we wanted to make this video on one of the most common questions we get here in our office regarding the EIDL loan. Many business owners are asking us, can I return or can I pay off my EIDL loan without any penalties? And basically, we're going to go into detail because there are two different processes that you need to know, and we're going to discuss them in detail in this video. Now, we are recording this video on July 17th. I always emphasize the date. Why? Because the EIDL loans and the PPP loans, the rules and regulations have been changing constantly. So that is the importance of subscribing to our channel. So we will always do our best to keep you up to date with the latest information. Okay. So basically, business owners who got the EIDL loan, the last couple of weeks, we have been providing a lot of consultations with business owners that did receive the EIDL loan, and we have been helping a lot of businesses get their EIDL loan. Okay. Now, we have seen several concerns with business owners because many of them received the funds, the EIDL funds, but after learning all the terms and regulations and conditions, they just want to return it. Okay. And they're scared and they don't know if they can return it without any penalties. Another situation we are seeing is that business owners basically want to pay off the loan before 30 years. 30 years is a very long time. And they're asking if they can do higher monthly payments to pay off the loan faster, or if they can do higher frequency payments instead of paying once a month, if they can send weekly or bi-weekly payments to pay it off faster. We have other business owners that got the funds and they really, thank God their business is not struggling that much, but they just got the funds and they placed the funds in a separate bank account and they're just using it as an emergency fund since the economy, we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, if there's going to be another shutdown. So they're just putting that money aside just in case they're going to need it in the future. And in the next couple of months, if things get better, then they just want to pay it all back. Okay. And they're asking if they can do that without having any penalties. Now, the answer to the questions, are there any prepayment penalties for the EIDL loan? And the answer is no. There's no prepayment penalties if you want to pay your EIDL loan with the SBA faster. Okay, now there are two different processes that you need to know about. The first one is, let's say that you have the funds and you just want to make prepayments. You don't want to pay it off. You don't want to cancel the loan. You just want to pay it off faster, either by sending in higher monthly payments, or if you want to send weekly or bi-weekly payments, or send a payment at whatever date you wish to send a payment. There's a procedure for that. And then there's another procedure if you want to pay off the entire loan and you want to cancel your SBA obligations regarding the EIDL loan. That's a separate procedure, and we're going to talk about both procedures in this video. So for the first procedure, let's say that you have the loan, but you don't want to pay it back in full, or you don't want to cancel or pay off the loan. You just want to make higher payments or higher frequency payments so that you pay your EIDL loan faster. You basically you don't do it through the SBA website, you do it through this website, through www.pay.gov. This is the website that you go to make prepayments to your EIDL loan. Okay. Now we made another YouTube video that is called How to Pay Your SBA EIDL Loan, where we give you step-by-step instructions on how to go to www.pay.gov website, and we guide you with instructions on how to make the payments towards your EIDL loan. So watch that video so you can get guidance and instructions on how to use the pay.gov websites to make prepayments to your EIDL loan. Okay. Now, the other procedure is if you want to return in full or if you want to cancel your EIDL loan debt. Okay. Basically, instead of going directly to the pay.gov website, you need to call the SBA first. And this is the phone number you're going to call, 800-659-2955. Why do you have to call first? Because you have to find out your remaining balance. Why? Because interest may have been accruing. Even though you haven't reached the 12-month deferral date, interest may have been accruing. Why do we know that? Just yesterday, we had a client of ours that wanted to cancel off her EIDL loan. She got her EIDL loans like a month and a half ago, and she wanted to return it in full. And when she called the SBA, yes, it did accrue interest. So in order to pay it off, she needed to pay that interest as well. So you need to find out the payoff balance before you make the final payment, okay? So that way there's no remaining balance with the SBA. Now, after finding out your payoff balance, then you go through the process of the pay.gov website to make the final payment. And once again, go to YouTube, look for this video. It's called How to Pay Your SBA EIDL Loan. And this video will give you detailed instructions on how to use the pay.gov website and make payments to the EIDL loan. Okay. Now, after you make the payoff payment, if you want to pay it off in full, once you do that, keep good records. Keep the payment receipt, and even go a step further. Once you make the payment, make sure you get a screenshot of the payment when it left your bank account, a receipt, and I would even go a step further to call the SBA and get written confirmation from the SBA that your loan is paid in full, and then you have no other obligations with the SBA. Documentation is key. Remember, never in history has the SBA given out so many loans. So there's a lot of room for errors. So you want to keep good documentation so that there's no issues in the future. You have your proof that you paid it off. Okay. So basically, that's the process you have to go through if you want to pay your EIDL loan beforehand. No penalties if you do prepayment. We want to thank you for watching this video. If you think this information has been of value to you, please like our video so a lot of other business owners take advantage of this information. Once again, we're praying for you. We're praying for your family, for your business. Stay safe. And this is our contact information in case we are a full service tax accounting firm. Even though we're in Florida, we are authorized by the federal government to provide services to individuals and businesses in all 50 states. Any kind of tax accounting service you may need, bookkeeping, corporate tax, personal taxes, if you owe money to the IRS, any tax issues, we can resolve those as well. If you want help in applications for the PPP, for the EIDL, if you need help with the PPP forgiveness application, we are providing that as well. And we have lowered also our consultation rate in order to provide information to more business owners. If you don't know who we are part of Freedom Group. We are a group of 4 companies where we have the accounting firm, the immigration law firm, the real estate business, and the insurance and financial planning uh, business as well. So we can help you in many ways. Once again, this is our contact information. Once again, this video has been of value to you. Like it so more people can take advantage of this information. And remember to subscribe to our channel so you're always with the latest information regarding this SBA programs. Have a good day. God bless you. Bye.